Dear students, I hope all of you have done your previous homework. So today, have a look at page number 62. यूज़ ऑफ टू का यूज़ कहाँ किया जाता है, तो इसको हम लोग एग्जाम्पल से क्लियर करेंगे. शी इज़ गोइंग टू मार्केट. जहाँ पर मार्केट जाने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर प्रपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. मार्केट जाने के लिए जहाँ पर यूज़ किया जाता है वहाँ पर टू का यूज़ किया जाता है. सेकंड एग्जांपल ही रोट अ लेटर टू हिज फादर, कि उसने पत्र लिखा है. किसको लिखा है? टू हिज फादर. सेकंड इज अंडर. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अंडर इज द डॉग वॉज सिटिंग अंडर द बेड. Many plants grow under the water. We shall take rest under a tree. The buses are running under the bridge. Throw. Example is the soldiers marched through the town. And example is we were afraid when we passed through the thick forest. Next is over. The example of over is a high cliff hangs over the sea. Second example is the fan is running over us. And third example is the helicopter is flying over sea. Next we will discuss about preposition of time. इसमें हम लोग preposition of time के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. The preposition of time are used to indicate time or when something takes place. इसमें हम लोग समय के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. preposition of time के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि किस समय ये घटना घटी थी. At. We use at for the time of day. A definite period, meal time, festival or group activities. At का यूज़ किया जाता है किसी दिन में किसी समय को बताने के लिए, एक डेफिनेट पीरियड को बताने के लिए, या फिर मील टाइम को बताने के लिए, या फिर फेस्टिवल या फिर किसी ग्रुप एक्टिविटी को बताने के लिए हम लोग एट का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी विल कम बैक एट 3 PM. सेकेंड इज दे स्टार्टेड देयर जर्नी एट dawn. थर्ड वन they don't talk at breakfast. And fourth one, he did not see me at the function. On का यूज़ कहाँ किया जाता है? On is used to show days and dates, festivals and day or day followed by the part of the day. ऑन का यूज़ जो कहाँ किया जाता है? दिनों को बताने के लिए, किसी डेट को या फेस्टिवल को बताने के लिए ऑन का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शी वॉज बोर्न ऑन 20th जुलाई, कि उसका जन्म कब हुआ है? 20th जुलाई को हुआ है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज दे विल सबमिट द प्रोजेक्ट ऑन फ्राइडे, कि उनको ये प्रोजेक्ट कब तक? फ्राइडे तक डिपॉजिट सबमिट करना है. थर्ड वन करुणा विल कम ऑन संडे. And fourth one, we usually go to temple on Diwali. Use of in. In is used for longer period like months, seasons, years or part of the day. In का यूज़ जो है महीनों को बताने के लिए, या सीजन्स को बताने के लिए, या सालों को बताने के लिए, या दिन के किसी पार्ट को बताने के लिए इन का यूज़ किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई केम टू दिल्ली इन 1990. Second example is the First World War began in 1914. Third example is my birthday falls in July. And fourth one, we shall not go anywhere in winter. Some more prepositions of time. इसके अलावा कुछ और preposition हैं जो कि समय के बारे में बताते हैं हमें. Before. Example of before is you take your lunch before 2 PM. Second example is I shall reach there before the meeting. Third one, I had returned home before it started to rain. By. Example of by is we visited Agra by this month. Second, Tina returned from Agra by Tuesday. Third one, I shall reach there by 28th June. And fourth example is they will have returned by 8 PM. Use of during. Example is don't go outside during night. Second example is I will sleep during journey. Use of for. Example is, I borrowed your pen for a week. Second example is, he stayed there for 2 months. Third one, he went to Pune for a month. And fourth example is, we went to the USA for 5 years. And use of after. Example is, I feel bored after working at night. Second, I came home after office hours. Third one, rest after doing your homework. And fourth one, he went to Amritsar after his exam. Use of until. Example is, don't go until I return. Second, he watched the serial until midday. Note, till can be used instead of until. Till का यूज जो है until की जगह पर भी किया जा सकता है. For example, Mohan watched the TV till 5 p.m. Since का यूज देखिए कहाँ पर किया जाता है. She has been reading since 2 o'clock. जहाँ पर समय के बारे में बताया जाता है, टाइमिंग के बारे में बताया जाता है, वहाँ पर since का यूज किया जाता है. Second example is, Sheila has waited for the bus since 9 o'clock. Third one is, I have been living here since 1998. I have not met Mary since last year. And fifth example is, she has not sent a letter since last week. Use of between. Example is, the center remains closed between 2 to 4 p.m. Second example is, a fight broke between the two brothers. So I hope you have done your previous homework. Have a look at page number 64. Choose the right preposition out of the given option. I live opposite to McDonald's restaurant. Second, somebody knocked at the door. Third one, the book is lying on the table. Fourth one, did you see him in the party? Fifth one, it is rather cool in April this year. Sixth one, the police are running after the thief. Seventh one, the girl was rewarded for her courage. Eighth one, freedom fighters were loyal to the country. Ninth one, the train is passing through a tunnel. 10th one, the ladder is placed on the wall. And B part, filling the blanks with appropriate preposition given in brackets. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great scholar besides being a great political leader. Second one, nothing is achieved without efforts. Third one, besides teaching, he wrote many books. Fourth one, the temple is on the Akbar Road. Fifth one, many people are killed by weather disaster every year. Sixth one, a teacher who does not take pains in his teaching cannot become an ideal teacher. Seventh one, a dispute arose between the landlord and tenant. Eighth one, they will finish the construction in a week. Ninth one, I am glad to receive your letter after such a long time. 10th one, your result has shown that hard work is the key to success. So have a look at page number 65, C part, filling the blanks with suitable preposition. Are you aware of his motives? Second, my school contains of 30 rooms. Shreya is jealous of her cousin. Fourth one, he has faith in her abilities. Don't laugh at beggars. Sixth one, I am not satisfied with your progress. 7, you should be ashamed of your behavior. 8th one, are they good at painting? 9th one, My father deals in clothes. And 10th one is, we are fond of chocolates. And last is D part. He sat under the tree. Second is, vegetables are sold in dozen and kilograms. Third one, what is the time by your watch? Fourth one, Gaurav has recovered from his illness. Fifth one, Viru took his shirt off. Sixth one, she is getting out of the room. Seventh, they are pushing the car up the hill. Eighth one, they all get together at Diwali. Ninth one, we have lived in this colony for 10 years. 10th one, Geeta left the school on 17th. 11th, Rajesh prevented me from playing the bad boys. 12th, I shall think over your problems. 13th, the girls are rewarded for her courage. And 14th, be kind to all. And last one is, freedom fighters were loyal to the country. Thank you.